Indistractable: How to Control Your Attention and Choose Your Life is a book written by Nir Ayyal, a behavioral design expert. Key themes and concepts from this book includes understanding distractions. The author discussed the various external triggers that can lead to distraction, such as smartphones, social media, and other forms of technology. He also emphasizes the internal triggers such as boredom, stress, and discomfort that can contribute to distraction. The Indistractable model. The author introduces the Indistractable model, a framework designed to help individuals understand and manage distractions. This model consists of four steps: mastering internal triggers, making time for traction, hacking back external triggers, and preventing distraction with facts. Mastering internal triggers. The author explores the importance of understanding and addressing internal triggers by identifying the emotions and discomfort that lead to distraction. He provides insights into managing these triggers to regain control over one's attention. Making time for traction. The book emphasizes the significance of scheduling time for activities that align with personal values and goals. By proactively planning one's time, individuals can focus on meaningful tasks and reduce the likelihood of succumbing to distractions. Hacking back external triggers. The author discusses strategies for managing external triggers, such as setting boundaries with technology, modifying the environment to reduce distractions, and being mindful of the impact of external influences on attention. Preventing distraction with pacts. The concept of creating pre-commitments or pacts is introduced as a way to prevent distractions. This involves making commitments in advance to avoid certain behaviors that may lead to distraction. The role of technology. While acknowledging the role of technology in creating distractions, the author also advocates for using technology to our advantage. He provides guidance on how to leverage tools and apps to enhance focus and productivity. Overall, Indistractable is a guide that aims to empower individuals to take controls of their attention and make choices that align with their values. Most people don't want to acknowledge the uncomfortable truth that distraction is always an unhealthy escape from reality. How we deal with uncomfortable internal triggers determines whether we pursue helpful acts of traction or self defeating distractions. All motivation is a desire to escape discomfort. If a behavior was previously effective at providing relief, we are likely to continue using it as a tool to escape discomfort. If we want to master distraction, we must learn to deal with discomfort. If you have any questions about how to get more focus, how to achieve your goal, this book is for you. Without focus, without being indistractable, you will not get in anywhere. You will experience the same feelings again: frustration, anxiety, anger, for not being able to avoid distractions.